Right, so I thought I'd show you how they're getting on. So last night went through, stripped off a lot of the side shoots. I've cut back some of the more wayward growth that was coming out the top, and then I have now started to put some canes in those ones, or some bigger canes. So I'm having to switch over from these, which are a 6-foot cane, to those which are, I think they were the biggest I could find, so 7 foot. So not tremendous amount bigger, but they are a chunkier cane, so they give me obviously an extra foot of support, and you can see that the tomatoes are already a foot above that. So that's the first couple done. Got the next 3 to do, so I'll probably get them done tonight. But yeah, just thought I'd come out. We have already started picking some tomatoes from these, and you can see they have sort of this lovely, well, pinky red coloration to them. I don't know if that's totally right. That one behind might be. Let's see if we can get it off. There we are. Oh, split some of the there. So you can see they've got a good size to them. But it's more, I don't know, not crimson, but anyway, it's not bright glossy red, but they are nice. So anyway, that's where I'm at the moment. See how they carry on. Okay, so I'm going to be harvesting a load more tomatoes off these giant tree tomatoes this morning. Like I said to you, they're looking a little bit battered because all of them blew over in the wind last week. So I think really, whilst the fruits are looking ripe, or pretty ripe, I'm going to take some off. As you can see, the splits in the trusses have actually got worse, and breakage there. So I'd rather take these off before they end up being lost. And look at the size of that one. Yes, it has split again because we've been so ridiculously hot. So we've got high heat and watering every day, and really the tomato goes through stages of growth and then stays still essentially, then dramatic growth. So that's what causes the splits in that. So just going to whip these off and maybe have a quick weigh-in perhaps. So I grabbed a bowl of tomatoes. You can see a range of size from this little thing to that, and thought actually just set it up on the scale so you can see. So actually, you know, what's 530 grams, so that's pretty good for one tomato. That's a lot of tomato. So yeah, quite pleased with those.